Call it home.
You are an artist with your words. They cover me and all my scars. You are a troubadour. You were wild. You could leave me. Please stay a while. I am reckless with my heart. This time I swore that I would be smart. I am hoping, I'm scared. All I know is I miss you when you're not here. Take my body, take my soul. Take my mind, take control. Take my heart like you did from the start. Take me anywhere you go, 'cause with you I'll call it home. Well, if I show you that sometimes I'm not strong, and if you find